Hi, and welcome back to the Dr. Ramsey Show. Today, I'm going to answer questions that have come through Instagram. I didn't have time to answer them. They were on our reel. So I'm just going to answer them today for all of you who asked them. And thank you for asking them. I really appreciate it. When you ask questions, it makes me a better doctor. So please keep asking. The first one is there an age anyone would need to stop taking BHRT? The answer is yes if you're on synthetic hormones. If you're on synthetic hormones, the rule is you take the lowest dose for the shortest amount of time. My patients, though, are not on synthetic. They are on bioidentical hormones, identical to our body, the way we made them in our prime. And so, what age would they need to stop? The day they die. Because there is no risk at all in taking bioidentical hormones. There are only side effects which we can manage, but there are no risks. So I wouldn't stop taking them because my quality of life would drop. My risks of aging would increase. And I'm not promoting that. Next question. If I'm not in menopause, why is my skin sagging? Well, the hormone that is responsible for skin tightening is estrogen. And perimenopausal women means they start ovulating haphazardly, not every month. They're not fertile every month. They're fertile a few times a year. They are losing estrogen. And so the moment we lose estrogen is when we see our skin sagging. And so maybe you're perimenopause. If you're premenopause and maybe you're on the birth control, even though there's estrogen, it blocks testosterone. So you may be having some skin changes because young women on birth control do have more cellulite than women who don't take it. So I'm not sure your age, but those are the different reasons for different stages of the woman's life. What types of IVs do you offer? We offer not every IV. We offer a lot of IVs. We do ozone IV therapy, which teaches your body how to, your immune system, how to work again. It also gives a lot of energy. We do Myers cocktail and then the higher vitamin C's. So Myers cocktails, vitamin C, magnesium, B complex, calcium. We put zinc in sometimes when you're sick, NAC if you're congested. And then we do higher levels for COVID and worsening infections than just the common cold. We do NAD IVs, which is very popular since COVID because it treats post-COVID syndrome, the long haulers. It's the only thing I have found that treats it. NAD is the strongest anti-inflammatory IV that we have. It's amazing. And NAD is the only IV that can successfully treat any addiction to date. We've 100% success with treating addiction with NAD as well. Others, alpha-lipoic acid, chelation, Plaquex. We do so many different IVs, detox IVs, energy IVs. Call our office if you want a pamphlet on what we do. What can infections be treated naturally instead of taking antibiotics? The answer is 100% yes. The immune system knows how to heal itself. We just give the body what it needs for the immune system to be strong enough to win the battle. And so, yes, we can treat, I'm going to say 99% of infections with IV therapy. You didn't ask how, but we do with IV therapy. We have oral products that increase your immune system significantly as well, different ways we do that. And we have nutrients that keep our immune system strong. The number one is vitamin D. Why are bioidentical hormones beneficial to the body? Two reasons they're beneficial. One is because when we lose our hormones, our cells and glands don't know how to function optimally. We end up with these symptoms of fatigue without hormones, insomnia without hormones, weight gain, lack of libido, poor erections in men, etc. There's so many symptoms we get when our hormones drop. When we give them, those basic symptoms tend to go away before I see my patients again, and then we can work more deeply on things that are troubling them. So, the reason that bioidentical hormones are efficient to the body is to improve quality of life. The other thing they're important for is risk reduction. Alzheimer's, 85%. Heart disease, 60 to 90% based on the article that you read. Osteoporosis is reversed. Cancer, we reduce. Breast, prostate, and colon. Those are the reasons I take hormones and my patients take hormones because when we don't have them, we can't function well. And remember, our lifespan was 50 years. Conventional medicine has prolonged it to 100. That second half of life, we are living in a deficient state. Diabetics who live in a deficient state die. We suffer. So that's the reason why I do what I do. I love what I do. I feel so grateful to God that I'm on this path. I feel grateful to my teacher for teaching me everything I know. And I'm grateful for all of you for supporting me, making me the best doctor that I am. So thank you so much. Thank you for listening. And the last thing I want to say is today is the last day to RSVP to our open house on February 23rd, starting at 5:30. We're highlighting Gallery, which is the cancer detection test. I will also be talking about ways to reduce Alzheimer's with hormones, how to do it, what the research says. And then we're going to be giving away prizes or raffles. Just put your name in, and we're giving away different IVs. So please come and join us, have some snacks with us. It should only be about an hour. At 6:30, we will be announcing the winners of the prizes. Thank you so much. I hope you can come this Thursday. I'm so excited about it, and have a great rest of your week. We'll be back next week. Bye-bye.